Hi, my name is Chris Burris. I'm one of the owners of SES Research, and we wanted to do this demonstration video. It's actually our second pass. The last video didn't have some good zoomed in features, so we'll have two cameras and we'll be able to zoom in and show you exactly what we're doing. So we're going to take sunflower seed oil. This is sunflower seed oil here, and we're going to mix some C60 in sunflower seed oil. So this is about 1 gram of C60. It used to be, back when we opened in 1991, this was about $6,000 for this 1 gram. The price has come down considerably since then. So we'll put a little bit of C60 in here. We'll pour some sunflower seed oil in here. And then we're going to use this Vortex mixer. This is good for just mixing. One of the nice things is it doesn't sonicate the actual material. You want to make sure if you're mixing C60 that you don't sonicate it if you're trying to get C60 to dissolve. You also see that it just gets a suspension at this point. It takes a while for it to actually dissolve. In fact, it takes about 2 weeks. Here's a solution that we've made of, again, sunflower oil with C60 in it. So I'm going to take this C60 and get it on out of the way. And then I'm just going to take this sunflower seed oil with C60 in it and put it right here. So we've taken, this is a syringe and a syringe filter. I actually have a link in, I'll have a link in the video and the comments below in the description of where you can actually purchase this on eBay for about $17. This little kit. It probably doesn't, the syringe might be a little bit smaller, but we're just going to, oops, excuse me, I did that wrong. We're going to suck up the sunflower seed oil into here. All right, actually I want to get, no, that's about the right amount. We'll suck that up in there. We will put the syringe on there, and we'll take our other thing. Now it takes a little while. This is a 0.22 micron filter, so it's a really tiny filter. It would filter out any particulates, but it would let anything that's in solution go through. And so what we're going to see as I add some pressure here is that this solution, this sunflower oil with C60 in it, is going to come through, and when it comes through, it's going to continue to be purple because when it's in solution, it goes right through the filter. So this takes a little pressure, a little time, so just bear with me. Cue time-elapse music, which we don't have, so just bear with me. A little bit more pressure. I just want to make sure that you can see that the solutions are the same color. All right. Well, that's probably good. We'll release the pressure there. And then you can see, I mean, it's a little bit less solution, but you can see that's about the same color when it's up near the top. So that is the same color, actually. And when you see that, you can know that actually all of the C60 that was in in the sunflower seed oil actually came all the way through in solution. And so that should be a good shot of that.